Chapma today. I'm from JB Mohammed, West Tripura, and today I'm going to represent a model under DVB, which will be viksit bharat direction. Okay. So moving ahead, I would like to introduce my team. My team is composed of Sympathy Devnath, myself, Ishara Viksit, Vashade Verma, Sunita Chaudhary, and our respective guide, Jagdish Singh, PGT Maths. And moving ahead, I would like to say my project name, which will be cleansing the six-step evolution. Let me tell you about this. And moving ahead, let me tell you who is cleansing actually. You might have seen many robots roaming around Mars, moons, for just like finding something. So I thought that why not the robots could roam around on Earth and find some garbages. So let me tell you. First of all, before moving ahead, I would like to apologize you too, because I don't have any I did not get any nice blueprints or photos from Google or anything. I tried so many AI websites, but I was not able to find the photos. So I would like to apologize just because I had to draw by my hand for myself. So the photos will be a bit not measured or anything like professional. So let me move ahead and tell you about my project. So actually this idea came from a crab. Do you know what a crab looks like? Just like his legs like this, his crab legs. Okay. So I thought that why not the robots would have crab legs? Not like the robots running on hands, but it could have tires on its legs. Okay. So it could have tires on its leg, and it was inspired from a crab, and the main target is to clean the environment like this. So let me tell you how can it clean the environment. Let me tell you first its shape actually. So it's like the robot, the main part. Usually we have a cuboid and have a cylinder on it. The cylinder will be of acrylic paper. I will discuss it next on coming slides. But let me tell you its shape. It will have a dimensional cuboid and semi-cylinder on its top, like the roof. Okay. So let me tell you about this in a brief. So this is the actually I draw this myself. So please just don't touch my drawings. Just this is the whole model, which will consist of everything. Like the values will be collected here. Every function will be here. So it will have some joints like this, you know, these things. So this will be the legs and this will be the joints. This joint will be here and this here, this here. It will have 6 legs, 3 on its side, 3 on its that side. Okay. So let me tell you about these things in brief. So actually this one is the hook where it should be attached. This one. Like this will be the hook where the legs will be attached. Okay, the legs will be attached here like this, and the legs will move like this, up and down, up and down. So let me tell you about the legs. This will be the leg, which will be hooked in the hook. Like the hook is like this, and the leg like this. This will move like this and this. Okay, so this will be the leg. This will be the hole where the hook will be joined. Like the hook hole is this one, and this one is this one. So like we join this, and it can move like this. Okay, so moving ahead, I will tell it's like the functions, how it will go and how it will move. So the legs, I told you about this joint, the hook, and this will have another joint. Like this one will have another leg. This will be the second arm of this robot. So this will have the robot like this, and that hook will be here, and this is the down arm where the motor should be attached, and the tire will be here. Tire will be here, and the tire will move by this motor. Actually, this is one thing which is used in many automobiles. Like for this steering system, this one and this one always stay parallel. Like whenever you move up, down, but it always stays parallel. So I use this type of thing for this motor, so that the tire never gets this, so that the tire always gets straight, never back. Okay, so this will be the second arm. And moving ahead, I would like to tell you the second arm. Like if you think the hooks are free, always free, so they can collide like this, and this. Everything can happen. So this will be joined by the robot, and the second arm by suspension like this. This suspension is used in many cycles in the rear. Okay, many cycles or many bikes in the rear. So I will use this type of thing here, so that the legs are connected with this. The second arm will be connected with the main robot here. Okay, so this will be the final model. So this is also a hand. Okay, this hand will pick the garbage up. So my total prototype is like the robot will roam around in an institution or in any place which will be given to it. It will roam around by itself and found some garbage and pick up things by this hand also. This hand is available in the market or anything. You can make it from anywhere. So basically this will look like this. This is not the perfect measurement, but I did not get any chance to make it blueprint, or I was not able to make it. So I tried to draw it. It will look like this, not look like this, but look like a big professional like that. So moving ahead, I would like to tell its functions. That will be the hand that I told you about. That I told you about the hand, which will be like this. This is already found in many online markets or any online. Okay. So let me tell you about its function. How will it work? It will be totally based on AI. We will use 3 AI software, which will be like the AI process. We will use here. That's one. Let's verify. Let's verify Pi. So and which will be for camera. Okay, camera processing. That will process the thing wholly. Then Arduino, that will be a software for motor sensors. Like motor will detect what to go, what to not go. Then for camera, what will we use for camera? We will use this one for camera, and this one also. This one for better vision. Like this one first. This one only for night vision. Like Raspberry Pi camera. The camera will shift it to night vision automatically by itself, but through this AI. So basically the AI will totally functions the whole room. So let me tell you how gonna we use the sensors. Which one? The autonomous obstacle detection means which will detect the obstacle, and the robots will be able to explore any places like this one. Then I have seen the edge detection. Like it can go anywhere. That doesn't mean that it will go to edge and fall down. Okay, so it can damage system. So it will detect the edge so that it has to go. Then color sensor detect plastic. This one, color sensors, which will connect to the AI. The AI will detect the plastic. The AI can see everything. We will connect the camera to the AI so that the AI can see the plastics and pick up these things by ordering the robot. Okay. Then the temperature sensor for safety. Temperature sensor like if it was in India, in many places they are so much hot. So if the robot get too much hot, then it can be not destroyed, but it can be get bad. So for these things, temperature system, this will sense the temperature and let the robot go under a shell or anything to get it cold. Then the light sensor to measure day and night, like light sensor and the Raspberry one. Okay, I told you about the night vision. This one will be connected to the night vision camera, this Raspberry one, which will measure day and night and signal to the AI. Okay, so moving ahead, materials will be used. The whole body will be of aluminium. Okay,